In the second part of this section, we will go through some other quick tips. The first one is that you can maximize, restore, and minimize an open window by clicking Windows and Control keys with up or down arrows. I'll open window here. As you see, doing this 2 times on a full screen window will restore it first, then minimize it to the taskbar. For some reason, if you try this on a File Explorer window, it will go full screen, not maximized, as you see here. Other apps works as we saw on Edge. When you start File Explorer from the taskbar or from the Start menu, by default it will open the Quick Access window. Quick Access is a useful window that shows your most frequent visited folders and your recent documents. If you prefer to change where File Explorer starts, open Folder Options by clicking Options here and change it to start on this PC. The third tip here is not new, but a few people know it. You can create a folder called Windows Master Control Panel Shortcut or All Tasks folder. This folder will list you all control panel tasks in one location. Let's create a new folder here on the desktop and name it wherever you want. But the folder extension should be changed. I'll copy this extension from here, and by the way, I added this file to the external resources for the lecture, so you don't need to type it yourself. Click enter. The new shortcut will have all control panel items. As you see, tasks are grouped by application and listed by letters. I have here 232 tasks. This number depends on your Windows version. This shortcut will help you reach the task you want quickly. Sometimes Windows gets unstable, or even it will not start, and you will need to restore it to a previous stable state. System Restore comes handy in these cases. But for some reason that no one knows, System Restore is off by default on Windows 10. You will need to enable it yourself. A quick way to do so is to search for Restore here and click on Create a Restore Point. Choose your operating system drive, in my case it's the C drive, and then click on Configure and choose Turn on System Protection. File history is a good tool to have a backup for your files on an external drive, like USB drive or network location. Previously, in Windows 7, we were able to have previous versions of our files and folders on our local drives in case we modified or deleted them. But starting in Windows 8, Microsoft decided to stop backing up to the same drive and allowed only backing up to non-local drives, so that if your hard disk got corrupted, you'll still have a backup for your files. File history can be enabled from Settings. Go to Update and Security under Backup here. You can add your external drive here and manage your file history options after that.